Welcome. Let's understand what is substation. Let's start with a discussion about the substation. Let's understand about substation. The function of a substation in a transmission system is to provide a switching node through which circuits, generating units and step-down transformer can be interconnected. Substations are critical to the safety, reliability, and availability of the network and should be carefully planned with both current and future system requirements in mind. Substations can be categorized as Category 1, Power Evacuation Substation or Generating Substations called as Step-Up Substations. Category 2, Substation part of Transmission System. Category 3, Substation part of Distribution System. Substation rating is defined as the capacity of power transformers installed. The types of substations depends upon 1. The availability of the land in the required place. 2. Environmental conditions. Substation types are outdoor, indoor, compressed air insulated, gas insulated substation, GIS. Substations can be categorized as Category 1, Power Evacuation Substation or Generating Substations called as Step-Up Substations. Category 2, Substation part of Transmission System. Category 3, Substation part of Distribution System.
Let's understand power evacuation substation. The generating substations are step-up stations, as the generation voltage needs to be stepped up to the primary transmission voltage, so that huge blocks of power can be transmitted over long distances to load centers located adjacent to the power plant. Preferred voltage level 765 kV, 420 kV, 245 kV, 145 kV, 66 kV, 33 kV. Evacuation voltage level depends on quantum of power to be evacuated, size of power plant, distance of transmission, grid network voltage of surrounding transmission system. Normally built by national or state utilities, captive power plant by industries, independent power producer, IPP. Let's understand transmission substation. Location is decided based on transmission grid network. Preferred voltage level 420 kV, 245 kV, 145 kV. Transmission voltage depends on quantum of power to be received or transmitted. Length of transmission line. Normally built by utilities, for example power grid, state electricity boards. The grid substations are created at suitable load centers along the primary transmission lines.
Switching stations are provided in between lengthy primary transmission lines to avoid switching surges, for easy segregation of faulty zones, for providing effective protection to the system in the AC network. The switching stations also required, wherever the EHT line are to be tapped, and line to be extended to different load centers without any step-down facility at the switching stations. The number of outgoing lines will be more than the incoming lines, depending on the load points.
Let's understand distribution substation. Location is near the load. Preferred voltage level 245 kV, 145 kV, 66 kV, 33 kV. Station voltage level depends on demand of power, utility norms of distribution. Normally built by utilities, for example state electricity boards, industries. Secondary substations are located at actual load points along the secondary transmission lines, where the voltage is further stepped down to subtransmission and primary distribution voltage. Distribution substations are created, where the subtransmission voltage and primary distribution voltage are stepped down, to supply voltage and feed the actual consumers through a network of distribution and service lines.
Thank you for your attention and time. More stuff coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe.